Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today I got another fun one for you. Today we've got 1.5 megawatt power upgrade at the GPU mining farm. That is right guys, we are here in our expansion and this is the first time you guys are actually able to see behind the scenes back there. You can see we've got a couple 400 amp panels there. We've got some 600 amp panels here. Let me kind of back out a little bit so you guys can get a little bit better of a view. You'll also see that they are pulling wires, and when I say pulling wires, in our last 1.5 megawatt power upgrade, we showed you those thick wires there coming in from the out there from the transformer. So we are finally into the expansion. We'll kind of let you guys see just a little bit that way. There's some of that electric. We got conduit. Look at those sick conduit runs already, guys. Holy cow. You can see over here. So we do have a 1.5 megawatt power upgrade here. If you like these kinds of videos, you guys better give us a thumbs up, better comment down below. Let us know what you think about this stuff. If you guys have other questions that you guys want to ask on this 1.5 megawatt power upgrade, we're showing you everything we can. Huge thank you to the team out here, Zach and Tim. You guys are rocking my socks off here. You guys are amazing. Love working with you guys. Can't wait to work over here and fire this up and just, man, good things coming. So just wanted to give you guys a quick behind the scenes look here so you could see those 600 amp panels on the left. We got 4 of those. We also got 2 400 amp panels on the right. You're also going to get to see, like I said, they're starting to pull wire. And when I say pulling wire, look at that. They got a lot of wire there. So we'll kind of back out here a little bit so you can see a little bit more here of the work site. They got some breakers and stuff down there. We also have some over here, some more of that conduit, guys. Look at that. That is a lot of conduit. And then we've got boxes, boxes, and more boxes. So this kind of lets you guys see a little bit more of the grand scheme of things. This is pretty sweet, this expansion here, but this has been part of our 1.5 megawatt power upgrades here. You guys can see they're fishing line, and if anybody you guys have known that you guys have fished this line, you guys know it is not fun to do. But we've got metal work to go up there. We've got exhaust fans to go up over here. We've got air intakes that are going to go up in here. So you guys, this is going to transform. You guys have probably never had behind the scenes access like this to see this kind of stuff. So once again, huge thank you to the team for having us out here. Huge thank you to the team for letting us show that you guys this stuff. If you guys like this stuff, comment down below. Let us know what you think. Keep an eye out. We're working on that Emirate, the Emirate cool spot for that helium. We got an update there for you guys. Been working on that for a couple months, waiting for the second one. Got some other videos, some other fun things coming out. Crypto Swag Fridays, keep an eye on that. So many different videos, so much stuff we want to talk with you guys about. But we are out here at the mining farm, talking with you guys a little bit about our 1.5 megawatt power upgrade. My name's Wes. I'm not your normal miner. Have a great day. Thanks, guys.